desperate. We have to become desperate to see, meet, and serve Krishna. Then maybe we'll go mad in separation, looking and searching for Krishna. We'll look for Krishna in the world. We'll look for him in other living entities, within our own minds, within our own intellect. Look for Krishna in our desires. Is Krishna in our desires? Are our desires for Krishna? Are we desiring Krishna or desiring for ourselves? We will, at some point, we see in the lives of the great saints, you and I, we'll come to the brink or the edge of utter hopelessness. But like the gopis, we should not stop searching. The inquiry, the questioning, and the sadhana, and the crying. Then surely one fine day, exactly like that time in Ras Leela, Krishna will step out from behind the curtain of Yoga Maya and say, "Oh, my beloved Bhakta, here I am. I have come to love you and accept your love. Jai Radhe." So this is the journey home, the journey to Krishna's heart. I would prefer that. Home is where your heart is. So we're on the way to Krishna's heart. If Krishna enters our heart and takes possession of our heart like a conquering king, then we'll have no choice but to march towards Krishna's heart. So this is the madness of living in Vrindavan.